Welcome to Tech Campus. My name is Zia, and in this video I'll be teaching you about the new data types that are now available within Office 365. So normally what happens in a cell is either you have text or you have some numerical data. So what's happened now is you're able to access new data types within Office 365. So let me just demonstrate how this works. So I've got a list of countries here, so I'm just going to highlight them. So Control Shift down arrow, and then you go to the data tab, and then you click on this geography icon. So what's happened now is if you look at each cell, it has an icon next to it, so that indicates there's some additional data that's been included within each cell. So in order to access that information, what you do is if you click on this icon, this gives you a list of options where you can access additional information. So for example, if you wanted to know the population of each country, then you would scroll down in this instance to find population, which is here. Click on it. We're just going to expand this, and then we're just going to copy this down, and now it's provided you with all of the population for each of the countries. As you can see, China has the biggest population of 1.4 million, followed closely by India. We can also get additional information regarding, for example, the capital city. Again, we scroll up. It's in alphabetical order, so capital is here, and then we'll copy this down as well. So now I have a list of all of the capital cities for each of the countries that's been included in column A. We can also get the currency as well. Again, just scroll down to there. And copy this down. So as you can see, United Kingdom, where I am, the currency is GBP, the capital city is London, and our population is 66 million. Again, I would go through all of this and just see the sort of information that you require. It's quite extensive, and over time Microsoft will be adding more data types. So this is a very cool feature that's been added to Office 365. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, give us a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.